Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to reveal 5 anti-aging secrets to keep your skin looking young and radiant. We all want to look and feel our best, but as we age, our skin starts to show the signs of wear and tear. However, there are ways to keep your skin looking youthful and glowing, without resorting to invasive procedures. The first anti-aging secret on our list is to eat a diet rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are nutrients that help to protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts into your diet can help to keep your skin looking young and healthy. The second anti-aging secret on our list is to protect your skin from the sun. Exposure to the sun's harmful UV rays can cause damage to your skin, leading to premature aging and skin cancer. Applying a daily sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 can help to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. The third anti-aging secret on our list is to practice facial massage. Facial massage helps to increase blood flow and lymphatic drainage, which can help to reduce puffiness and improve skin texture. Using a jade roller or a gua sha tool to massage your face can help to keep your skin looking young and radiant. The fourth anti-aging secret on our list is to use retinol. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that has been shown to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin texture, and even out skin tone. Incorporating a retinol cream into your skincare routine can help to keep your skin looking young and vibrant. The fifth anti-aging secret on our list is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin hydrated and plump, which can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin looking young and healthy. So, those are our top 5 anti-aging secrets to keep your skin looking young and radiant. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help to improve your skin's overall health and appearance. But it's not just about what you put on your skin or eat. Practicing self-care activities such as yoga, meditation, and getting enough sleep can also help to reduce stress and improve your skin's overall health and appearance. So, there you have it, beauty enthusiasts. Our top 5 anti-aging secrets to keep your skin looking young and radiant. Remember, taking care of your skin is a lifelong process. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, don't forget to check out the description.